beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to do Slavic doll makeup tutorial. So in Pinterest and YouTube there are several videos and it is going viral. So first of all you have to know what is Slavic doll makeup. Basically it is a cool aesthetic makeup, like it is going viral on the internet. And today I'm gonna show you the makeup tutorial. So first of all I'm using a primer here. And don't worry about the product links, I will provide the links on the description box as well as on the screen box. So skin preparation is very much important for the makeup. Then I'm using a matte foundation here from Record. This is basically a age-based foundation, and today I'm not gonna use any warm tone foundation because this makeup suits well for the cold and aesthetic and kinda give vibe a very whitish and cool tone undertone, like that kind of makeup. So that's why I choose this foundation today. After that I'm blending the product with a beauty blender. Then I'm using a contour stick here from Kiss Beauty. Like I have a very wide jawline, that's why I have to cut the area with the contour, and then I'm doing the nose contour here. After that you have to blend the product gently and to the hairline. Then I'm taking an angular brush for my eyebrows. So for this makeup the eyebrows are straight and not very hairy. It's natural and it looks like very straight and high pointed. So that's why I'm following this thing. And after that I'm using a concealer on the eyelids. So this is a light color concealer. Then also I applied the highlighted area of my nose bridge, and then I blended the product. And using the same concealer on the inner corner of my eye, and I forgot that the eye makeup tutorial is next on the part, so check this timestamp. Next I'm starting with the outer corner of my eye. I'm creating a little wing eyeliner here with the pomade gel. Then I'm using a white kajal here, and then I'm doing a line underneath the lash line, lower lash line. So this will make my eye bigger and very rounder, and you can follow the instruction whatever you can see on the screen. After applying mascara I'm using an eyelash here, and one thing that the eye makeup I will add later on this video. And right now I'm doing the nose contour here. So for nose contour you have to start a V shape from the nose bridge, then you have to go down and then you have to do a round shape on your nose tip. Then you have to blend it with a lighter contour shade. I'm really sorry that I forgot to add the tutorial before. Start with a peach shade from the outer corner, then blend with a ochre shade, then blend it out with a dark brown eyeshadow. So for the blush I'm using a pink shade blush here on my cheeks and little bit on nose, on forehead. Then I'm doing contour and then the highlighter on the highlighted points of my face and little bit on the inner corner of the eyes. Then little bit some of the highlighter on the outer corner of my eyes of the lash line. Then I'm using a e.l.f. lip gloss here. So my makeup is done. Now for the final look for the hair and the dress. I hope you will love this makeup today. If you love this makeup, subscribe to my channel. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Ta-ta.